This is a continuation of the same topic. What are the three E's of accident prevention? Already we have an idea. There are three important E's are there. One is education, engineering and enforcement. And we have already discussed that in a different heading. We will be focusing on that. The importance of educating the people about safety practices and potential hazard is crucial to prevent accident. Earlier we were telling that in a different education and training. So that aspect is mentioned here. In one of the E, it is educating the people or education, giving proper education. It stands for the first E. So giving the individual a proper education of what is the possibility of an incident is very important in accident prevention. It involves training individual on how to identify risk, how you can identify a dangerous situation and what you should do in case a dangerous situation is coming into picture. Then you should also implement safe behavior. So just because you have properly identified a dangerous situation is not sufficient. You should also identify what should be your behavior in such a situation. That is known as a safe behavior. Now second is also we have discussed earlier, we have to design new kinds of equipment or new kinds of devices that reduce the severity of an accident. This involves designing systems, equipment, environments to minimize the potential for accident. So we have earlier discussed that in a different heading. And engineering control. The same thing is mentioned here in a different way. So in the use of engineering, we will be modifying the equipment, we will be modifying our work environment so that the chance of an accident to take place is very much reduced. So per engineering control aim to eliminate or reduce the hazard. That is the main. For example, installing guardrail. For example, in a staircase there will be rails will be there. Designing machinery with the safety features. Sometimes some machineries will be very dangerous. Sometimes finger injury will be taking place, hand injury will be taking place, eye injury can take place. So creating ergonomic workspace. Ergonomic means that what is more convenient, what is more suitable for human body. That will not lead to any kind of stress to the person. For example, ergonomic chair, a chair that do not cause any back pain. That's such kind of the things are known as ergonomic workspaces. That is the work atmosphere should be more suitable for a proper and a comfortable work. That is known as the ergonomic workplaces. And third aspect is also we have mentioned enforcement. Because even if we are giving many people proper education, many may not be following it. There comes the role of enforcement. Enforcement is actually the task of police and court. So implementing and enforcing safety rules, regulation standard, ensure that safety protocols are followed. Because in my majority of the road accident, you might have noticed that those people may not be following the traffic rules properly, like wearing seat belt or wearing helmet. Sometimes only the driver may be having helmet, the back rider may not be having any helmet. So in such situation, the incidence of a traffic accident can be very severe. So only police or enforcement people can enforce them to follow the rules properly. Regular safety inspection. So we know that the police people are doing that. Penalties for non-compliant. If you are not wearing helmet, you know what it, sometimes 500, sometimes 1000. So that kind of penalty should be there. And consistent monitoring. For example, everywhere we have now different types of cameras are there, AI cameras are there. They will be monitoring whether you have seat belt or you will have wearing helmet. So such kind of monitoring or the policies will help the government and the society to reduce the chance of accident and also death. So these are the different E's of accident prevention. They are usually known as education, engineering, and enforcement. Education, engineering, and enforcement. In your textbook also you may be seeing that. Then the three E's work together to create a comprehensive approach to accident prevention, helping to ensure that people are informed, that people are made aware of what are the dangerous situations and how hazards or dangers can be minimized and what are the safety practices that everyone must be supposed to do. So this is an idea regarding the different types of accident prevention methods which are available.